On the top you will write revision. So today's date, leave the first line, start from the second line, and our question is rewrite the sentences with capital letters that is wherever capital letters are needed, and full stops. Remember, we have to give full stop at the end of the sentence. And our first sentence is girls love dolls. This is our question. All the letters are small. Okay, you will also write all the letters small. Now we will see which letter has to be capitalized here and where do we need full stop. Okay. So put your arrow here and start with a capital letter. So our G will be capital GIRLS. Girls love dolls. Now there was a confusion if we can write D of dolls capital or not. Doll is a noun, but it is a common noun. It is not a proper noun. It is not a name. If suppose we give a name to a doll, Pinky, then we will write P capital. But here we have written dolls, that is a common noun. So we will not write D capital. We will write D small only. Okay? And at the end of the sentence put a full stop. So what we have changed? The first letter of the sentence, that should be capital, and at the end we will put a full stop. Okay, hereby we complete our first sentence. Let's see the second one. Our second sentence is my brother Ram is sleeping. Okay. Now let's see which letter can be capital and where to put the full stop. So in this sentence again we will write the first letter capital, that is M of mine, because it is at the beginning of the sentence. So we will write M capital. My brother Ram. Now Ram is a name of a boy, hence it is a proper noun. So we will write R capital. Ram, my brother Ram is sleeping. And at the end of the sentence, we have to give a full stop. Hereby, we complete our this sentence. My brother Ram is sleeping. M is capital because it is at the beginning of the sentence. R is capital because Ram is the name of a boy, hence it is a proper noun. And at the end of the sentence, we will put a full stop. Okay. Let's see our third sentence. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Now we will find out what should be capital here and where should we put full stop. So we will write here T capital for today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. We will write T capital here because it is the first letter of the sentence. Okay. Today is Wednesday. Now W also we will write capital because Wednesday is the name of a day and it is a proper noun. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And what we have to do at the end of the sentence? We have to put a full stop. Okay. So our sentence is today with T capital is Wednesday, W capital, and at the end we will put a full stop. Today is Wednesday. Okay. Let's turn the page. So our next sentence is fourth one. Last week I went to London. Let's see what changes we have to make here. So here we are going to write L capital as it is the first letter of the sentence. Last week I will be capital because it is on its own. Whenever we write a single I, we always write it capital. When we talk about ourselves, we write it capital. Last week I went to London. Now London is a name of a place, so again it is a proper noun, so we will write L capital. And at the end of the sentence we will put a full stop. So many changes we have done in this sentence. Let's go through it once again. Last, L of last will be capital because it is the first word of the sentence and L is the first letter. Last week I, whenever we write I, a single I, we always write it capital. When we talk about ourselves and we say I, then we always write I as a capital letter. Okay, last week I went to London. Now here London is a name of a place, so it is a proper noun. So again we are going to write L capital here. And at the end we will put a full stop. Okay, let's go through all the sentences once again. Have a look everywhere at the first word. We have written first letter capital. Okay, here in the second sentence R is capital because it is the name of a boy. And at the end of every sentence we have to put full stop. Okay, So, and here I, whenever we write I, we write it as capital. Okay, so this was all for today, children. Thank you.